Okay, this street is Estrada de Coelho do Amaral, so you can kind of see it right there, and we're going to be walking directly down that way. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna walk down that way. We got a street, got a light here, so might as well take it. Check out that apartment, it's cool. It's right on the corner like that. So what we're gonna do is walk straight down this way and show you this road. I don't think I'm positive I haven't been on this road before. I mean, I probably walked every road. Not every road. Majority. So this one, we're just gonna walk straight up this one. Oh, we got some kind of cool sign. Oh, got some kind of nice looking desserts there. Looks like that could be really tasty. So now we're kind of getting near this market area. So that might be interesting for people, for fruits and vegetables and things like that. Kind of a popular street. That's right. Usually the reason I don't film that little stretch right there is because usually this one brings you in. So this one is quite active with a lot of fruits and vegetables and things like that. Let's just kind of go in briefly for a moment, then we'll go back out again. But you can basically see it goes all the way down quite a ways, right? So yeah, so they got shopping pretty much all the way down that way, and then it's also all the way down that way too. Oh, got some dumplings as well. It's tasty. It's really good. So yeah, lots of cool stuff everywhere. So this is our main focus right here. You're definitely going to continue going down it, but I just want to show you a little bit. Ude Tome Theater, so that actually has a different name. We'll probably walk down this one later, show you what it looks like as well. But you can definitely see they got fruits, vegetables, apples, oranges. Look really fresh too. Good prices. You got more stuff all the way down as well. Sometimes they sell things right there that they talk loudly as they do. All kinds of cool stuff. So we'll probably come down here again in a minute, but I want to go down to our main street again and focus on that. Get some shirts and underwear, kids clothing over there. Okay, so let's keep on going this way. I kind of wanted to highlight that yellow sign that says Michelle. It says Pasteleria. Let's go by this bus stop here. Yeah, that's a cake shop, Pasteleria. And I think I've heard this before. I think it's quite popular. There's a lot of people in that cake shop over there. I think I'll just keep walking down. And I think this one might end up changing street names. We'll see what happens, but there's a beautiful temple here, but they do a beautiful Buddhist temple. They do cremation, so I don't know if I know I shouldn't bring the camera in there, so but I am gonna walk around this way briefly, try to show you the outside of it. That's our street right there. Couldn't really get a very good view of it from where we were before, and then now you can see the beauty of that particular street. So that's the one that we were just down. Some kind of boutique stuff it looks like over there, and I think this might have a different name of a street, but no matter what, I need to capture a little bit of this temple from the outside anyways. So yeah, you have this beautiful temple right here. Let's just kind of capture it a little bit. So yeah, look at all these trees. So this is filled with trees, bamboo trees, beautiful, gorgeous trees. And I think we can't take the camera in, but I'll just I just want to film just briefly, so we won't do anything that's but now you can see like how beautiful this is in here. Let's go in a little bit further. So now you can see like just how beautiful that is, right? And those trees like that. It's kind of a shame that this is at the end of this video, but okay, let's step back out. But at least you got an idea of it. I like that image right there. Boa Vista, something like that. Okay, so we're gonna come back out, and yeah, so that was basically, check out, this is all Portuguese right there, so the trash can has like Portuguese influences. Okay, so anyways, that's our street, so hope you like that one, and I think we'll just end it with a line, I guess. There we go. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.